Welcome to another episode of Innovation Beat. Get ready for a sauna adventure and don't forget your seatbelt. In this file, we will follow the drivers of wooden vehicles that can ensure facing the most dangerous problems, overcoming the supply of alleys, all wise. How will they have to argue with 1,000 hanging issues? Let's explore and feel the extreme thrill in every moment.
The log set 6F Forwarder, deep in the forest, faced a harsh challenge. Stuck in a thick mud pit with no one around to help, it struggled alone in the heavy mire. Refusing to give up, the machine skillfully used its grapple to lay logs as a makeshift path, creating stepping stones for itself. After a long period of persistence and expertise, the log set finally freed itself. But the cost was an entire day lost, as the harvested logs had sunk deep into the mud, leaving a sense of sorrow in the operator's heart. On the slippery and challenging terrain, the Timberjack 240C becomes one with its operator. He maneuvers the vehicle like a professional racer, navigating around large logs with extraordinary skill. At times, the machine seems to be riding on just two wheels, yet nothing can stop it. The tougher the terrain, the brighter his spirit shines. Every skid, every spin of the wheels is a testament to his mastery and courage, a true conquest. The tractor truck, a symbol of the people here, is an indispensable means of transportation. It has good load-bearing capacity, suitable for the rugged dirt roads, but it's difficult to control due to its simple design. Even a small mishap can cause it to tip over. That's exactly what happened. The truck lost its balance when one wheel slipped off the road, despite two men trying to press it down. As a result, the truck flipped right on the spot. Fortunately, both men and the driver managed to jump off in time, narrowly escaping an accident. The Timberjack 810B is an efficient logging machine, powered by a strong diesel engine with 150 horsepower. Its overall dimensions are approximately 4.5 meters in length, 2.4 meters in width, and 3.2 meters in height, with a weight of around 12,000 kilograms. The hydraulic system, with a flow rate of 130 Lmin and four-wheel drive, allows it to move flexibly over difficult terrain. The Timberjack 810B can transport around 10 tons of wood, making it ideal for logging and transport operations in deep forests. Its robust design ensures durability in harsh environments. The homemade tractor reared up due to being overloaded while climbing a mountain pass, creating a dramatic moment for the driver. The front of the vehicle tilted and the wheels lost grip on the road, while the back was loaded with timber. But the driver didn't panic. The vehicle was equipped with a smart winch system, tying a rope to a tall tree nearby. As the winch engaged, it pulled the vehicle out of the dangerous situation. Though safe, half of the timber had spilled out. The scene was both tense and breathtaking, showcasing the skill and ingenuity of the people here. In the midst of winter, the forest transforms into a stunning masterpiece with a blanket of white snow. However, beneath that smooth layer of snow, muddy swamps lie in wait. Timberjack 810B, equipped with sturdy tracks, confidently embarks on its journey. It glides over the wet paths without any fear of getting stuck. When encountering mud, the machine seems to shrug it off, determined to push through. With its strength and resilience, Timberjack paints a vivid picture amidst the winter landscape. The Timberjack 810B is like a mighty warrior, challenging all the harshness of the cold weather in the damp forest. Despite the torrential rain, it tirelessly carries on with its logging mission, leaving onlookers in awe. The waterlogged roads make each wheel turn a struggle, and at times it sways as if it might tip over. But it's the skill of the operator that turns every difficulty into ease. He is my idol, a symbol of resilience and courage, a shining example for everyone to follow. We witnessed for the first time the creative way the Marathi people unload large logs. The excavator slowly pushes the log down from above, while the truck below uses two sturdy poles to catch it. The log lands neatly on the truck, showcasing the ingenuity and skill of the forest workers in utilizing what's available to complete the job without modern machinery. Necessity breeds ingenuity, and they managed to load the log onto the truck safely. In the damp forest, the roads always hold unpredictable surprises in terms of sinking depth, and the John Deere 1110D harvester was no exception. After attempting to cross a muddy patch, it got stuck. Today, without any teammates nearby, it had to rescue itself. With each skillful grapple, it placed logs on the ground to reduce the sinking and create a stable path to escape. After much effort and struggle, the John Deere 1110D successfully freed itself, reaffirming its strength and resilience. The sight of the homemade tractor hauling timber struggling to make its way through the muddy road after the rain is truly unforgettable. These vehicles symbolize the strength and endurance of the local people, where modern technology has yet to reach. The wheels spun in the thick mud, unable to bear the weight of the timber, and the vehicle eventually tipped over on the slippery slope. To rescue it, everyone had to unload the logs. The solidarity during such difficult times vividly reflects the unity and resilient spirit of the Vietnamese people.
Okay.
The saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together holds true in this case. The John Deere 1110D found itself stuck in a deep swamp, with the high mud making it impossible to get out on its own. However, with the timely assistance of the John Deere 1470E, after a bit of struggling, the rescue was successful. It is a testament to solidarity, where true strength is built from cooperation, overcoming challenges together. Metsis, with its expansive tracks, is ready to traverse through damp forests and slippery, muddy terrains. Its grapple works with precision, gently lifting each log. As the heart of the forestry industry, Metsis is not only powerful with its superior engine and suspension system, but also safe with modern GPS and cameras, ensuring a smooth and sustainable journey. Traktoriata Boskov charged toward the near vertical slope, capturing the eager gaze of the crowd. But failure came swiftly. It lost its grip and got stuck halfway up, leaving everyone disappointed and disdainful. A military tank approached, powerfully pulling Traktoriata out of its humiliating predicament. The roar of the engine echoed as admiring eyes turned to the tank, highlighting its strength and pride in the moment of crisis. A mountain pass in China has become a nightmare for drivers carrying heavy loads. Today, a tractor trailer hauling 150 tons anxiously climbed the slope, but unexpectedly encountered a technical error at a sharp turn, forcing it to reverse on the dangerous incline. The tension was palpable, as all eyes were on the driver. However, with his extensive experience, he skillfully reversed, then carefully hit the gas and powered up the steep slope. In the end, he conquered the pass, earning admiration from everyone for his confidence and skill. Have you ever witnessed large logs being loaded onto a truck? It's quite a grand sight. The old, small, but powerful excavator makes the truck shake. I used to think it couldn't handle the weight, but this happens every day, showcasing the resilience of the people here. On its journey to the construction site for a new mission, the truck carrying a massive excavator encountered trouble when one of its wheels slipped off the edge of a narrow road. The truck had to stay still, waiting for rescue, as tension filled the air, with straps secured to prevent it from tipping over. The giant excavator on top swayed precariously, seemingly about to topple. Immediately, another excavator was dispatched for the rescue. With experienced support, the excavator managed to balance itself and slowly descend safely, reducing the weight on the truck. Thanks to that, the truck was easily pulled back onto the road, creating a tense but resilient moment showcasing the coordination and determination of the workers. Oh no, the load of timber in the back is too heavy. It seems like the truck is on strike, refusing to work anymore. It's probably asking for a break. In the bone-chilling cold of the Carpathian Mountains, the workers tirelessly and persistently carry on with their tasks across the rugged terrain. In their hands, there's only a small chainsaw, but their determination and strong spirit help them conquer every challenge. The same Laser 110 tractor is like a loyal companion, steadily navigating the rough roads, even crossing waterfalls to transport the timber to the edge of the forest. I admire their hard work and dedication because this is not just a job, it's a livelihood that sustains their families. The beads of sweat in the freezing cold become a symbol of resilience and determination in life. Deep in the forest, with the Laser 110 tractor, hauling logs is truly a major challenge. Putting myself in that situation, I can't help but feel overwhelmed. The large, rugged gravel roads are not meant for ordinary vehicles, but the Laser 110 has become a reliable companion for the workers. They constantly have to adjust their positions while pulling the heavy logs, facing countless difficulties on the treacherous terrain. Yet they remain calm and patient, handling every obstacle with care. If it were me, that level of patience would be hard to achieve. These workers have shown that perseverance and determination are the keys to overcoming even the harshest challenges. I stand in the middle of the winter forest, surrounded by nothing but a blanket of pure white snow covering everything. The trees seem to disappear, the road vanishes, leaving only a thick layer of snow as far as the eye can see. Amidst the freezing cold, the workers continue their tireless labor, enduring like the old logging trucks they drive. Every turn of the wheel could send the vehicle skidding down the slope, yet no one stops. These extraordinary people, along with their loyal machines, overcome the challenges of the weather, moving forward step by step, as if they were born to conquer this hardship. If you are passionate about the moments of felling giant trees, you will surely be fascinated by this guy, a master of large-scale logging. Every day he takes on only supersized projects where massive trees stand tall under the sky. He is trusted by operators not only for his outstanding skills, but also for his ability to direct the tree fall with absolute precision. With each touch of the chainsaw to the trunk, he doesn't just cut down the tree, but masters nature itself, determining the direction of the fall like an artist painting a moving picture. He is someone I admire immensely, not just for his talent, but also for his dedication and the subtlety in every touch.
About 60 feet up.
The Romanian forestry tractor with its powerful articulation left me in awe. That robust TAF machine can pull entire loads of timber up steep slopes, at times tilting with only two wheels touching the ground, as if defying all the laws of physics. But what I admire even more is the operator, wise, determined, and guiding the machine through each challenge without ever backing down.